My time at Bowling Green State University helped prepare me for the career I have today in so many ways. First and foremost, the classes that I took at BGSU, every single one of them has played a role in what I do today, whether it was the business analytics, the finance classes, even the ethics courses I took, helped me with critical thinking. So while my classes help prepare me from a knowledge standpoint in my career today, it's really my extracurricular activities that helped flesh out my personality and those personal skill sets that you also need to translate into the workforce. So for example, through my student organization, I was able to gain team working skill sets, which I use every day today. For me, personally, being the first person in my immediate family to go to college, I didn't know the first thing about the business world, or for that matter, much of anything. So obtaining that real world business experience through the form of internships was essential for me. And it led me to receive my first full-time job offer before the first day of my senior year had even begun. Without those internships, that wouldn't have been possible. I'm a strong believer that if you've taken a bet on yourself, you will never lose.